Hello students, today we discuss about MDK past paper physics 2022. MCQs number 121. When different resistors are connected across the terminal of a battery. The correct option is option E. MCQs number its EMF remain the same but terminal potential difference changes. MCQ number 124. The minimum energy of photon for pair production. Pair production के ये मिनिमम एनर्जी क्या होगी फोटोन की ऑप्शन सी 102 मेगावाट एमसीक्यूज नंबर 125 द मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन रिप्रेजेंटिंग फ्राडे लॉ इज तो फ्राडे लॉ को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए ये मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन है MCQs number 126 a cyclist moving on a circular track skates because किस वजह से skates होगा the limiting friction is less than the required centripetal force means के correct option is E. MCQs number 127. A body is dropped from certain height and falls freely. Its velocity after 5 seconds will be 5 seconds के बाद इसकी velocity जो है वो क्या होगी Correct option is E. 49 meter per second. MCQs number 128. Two transverse traveling waves are represented by this equation. वो किस इक्वेशन से रिप्रेजेंट की जाती है करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज टी फेज MCQs नंबर 129 एन इक्वेशन दी गई है E इक्वल्स टू del V माइनस अपॉन del R नेगेटिव साइन इंडिकेट्स दैट तो नेगेटिव साइन जो है वो क्या इंडिकेट करता है इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी ही पॉइंट्स टुवर्ड डिक्रीजिंग V MCQs number 130 the path of a neutron moving perpendicular to magnetic field is so its path is straight line option B MCQs number 131 a battery of EMF E has a internal resistance Y if current I is drawn then terminal potential V1 is given by तो terminal potential V1 क्या होगा हमारे पास तो हमारे पास द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी V1 equals to E minus IR MCQs 132 the instantaneous EMF generated by alternating current generator is written as तो जनरेटर को किस तरह यानी कि किस तरह शो किया जाता है यहाँ लिखा जाता है इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी MCQs 133 a bullet is fired horizontally with 20 meter per second in the absence of air friction its horizontal velocity after 2 seconds will be तो इसकी horizontal velocity जो है 2 सेकंड के बाद क्या होगी 60 meter per second MCQs 134 if Rydberg constant for hydrogen is RH then wavelength lambda of first line is Lyman series is its correct option is option D 4 upon 3 RH MCQs 135 the ratio of molar specific heat of a gas at constant pressure to its molar specific heat at constant volume is तो इसका कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम जो है वो क्या होगा इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी ग्रेटर देन 1 से ज्यादा होगा MCQs 136 if mass and speed of a moving object is double the kinetic energy will be तो बताएं kinetic energy क्या होगी इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए 8 times MCQs number 137 the electric field intensity between two uniformly oppositely charged parallel plates is its correct option is option D. MCQs number 138. A box of mass equals to 6 kg slides with speed v equals to 4 meter per second across a frictionless floor. It suddenly explodes into two pieces. One piece with mass m1 equals to 2 kg moves in the same direction with speed v1 equals to 8 meter per second. The velocity of the second piece. तो बताएं कि second piece की velocity क्या होगी? Correct option is option E. 2 meter per second होगी MCQs number 139. The intensity level, sound level of finest audible intensity is correct option is option B, 0 decibel. MCQs number 140. If 2 mu f and 4 mu f capacitors are connected in series, their equivalent capacitance will be, तो इसका equivalent capacitance जो है वो क्या होगा? इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, 1.33 mu f. MCQs 141. The experimental proof of particle nature of light is, इसका experimental proof जो है particle nature का वो है ऑप्शन बी, photoelectric effect. MCQs number 142. The electrical energy dissipated as heat in a resistor is, correct option is D, I square RT. MCQs number 143. 1 kilowatt or is equals to 1 kilowatt और जो है वो किसके बराबर होता है? Correct option is D, 36 into 10 raised 5 joule. MCQs number 144. Dash unit joule per coulomb is equals to, correct option is option A, volt. कह रहे हैं कि जूल पर कूलम जो है वो किसके बराबर होता है? नेक्स्ट, MCQs number 145. According to the law of radioactive decay, the rate of disintegration is directly proportional to, तो directly proportional वो किसके होगा? Correct option is D, number of the atoms present. MCQs number 146. The eddy current losses in a transformer can be reduced by. Its correct option is D, using laminated iron core. Using laminated iron core. MCQs number 147. The absolute gravitational potential energy U of an object of mass m on Earth's surface is given by. Its correct option is option A. It's not option A or option A. MCQs number 147. The absolute gravitational potential energy U of an object of mass m on Earth's surface is given by. Its correct option is option A. MCQs number 148. The speed of a photon is free space is. Speed of photon क्या होती है free space में? Its correct option is A. MCQs number 149. A charge Q is moving with velocity v parallel to a magnetic field B. The magnetic force F on charge Q is, option D, F equals to 0. MCQs number 150. Resistors of 5 ohm and 10 ohm are connected parallel. If the potential difference across the 5 ohm resistor is 20 volts, then the current through 100 will be. तो बताएं 100 वोल्ट से करंट कितना होगा हमारे पास? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ई, 2 एम्पियर. MCQs number 151. A helicopter of weight W ascending with zero acceleration. The upper force F on it is. Its correct option is D, F greater than W. MCQs number 152. A sound wave travel from one medium to another. Which one of the characteristics of sound remain unchanged? तो इनमें से कौन सा characteristics जो है sound का वो change ही रहेगा? Its correct option is C, pitch. MCQs number 153. For efficient transfer of electricity through cables over the long distance. So its Correct option is B. The current must be low and voltage high. MCQ number 154. When a body moves with uniform velocity, then its correct option is option D. Instantaneous velocity is equals to average velocity. MCQ number 155. Every particle of a rotating distance move with. तो किस distance से move करेगा? Its right answer is B. Constant angular velocity. MCQs 156. A proton of charge 1.6 into 10 raised minus 19 C is moved through a potential difference of 20 volt. The energy gained by the proton is proton से energy जो gained होगी वो होगी हमारे पास. Correct option is B. 32 into 10 raised minus 19. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा ऑप्शन बी 32 into 10 raised minus 19 joule. MCQs 157. Distance between two consecutive antinodes in a straining wave is. Its correct option is option D, 2 lambda. MCQs number 158. A conducting wire of resistivity rho is cut into two equal parts. The resistivity of each part will be. तो बताएं हर एक पार्ट की resistivity जो है वो क्या होगी? सेम होगी, मीन्स the option A. MCQs number 159. If the given spring of spring constant K is cut into 3 identical segments, the spring constant of each segment. तो बताएं spring constant जो हर एक segment के लिए होगा वो क्या होगा? Options D, 3K. MCQs 160. 4 cells of EMF 3 volt are connected in series to form a battery. Net EMF of the combination is. तो EMF का combination जो है क्या होगा? Correct option is A, 12 volt. Next, 161. The rate of change of linear momentum of a body is equals to. Correct option is A, net force के बराबर होगा. MCQs 162. The most appropriate mathematical expression representing simple harmonic motion is. तो बताएं most mathematical expression जो simple harmonic को represent करती है वो कौन सी है? Option B, alpha directly proportional to minus x. MCQs 163. A body is moving in a circle with constant speed with radius of circle is r and time period t. The centripetal acceleration is given by. Its correct option is B. MCQs 164. The kinetic energy of an electron in first Bohr radius of H atom is. First Bohr radius इलेक्ट्रॉन रेडियस में H एटम की एनर्जी काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या होगी? इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी 13.6 इलेक्ट्रोवॉट. MCQs 165. लेस लॉ इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ. ये किसकी फॉर्म होती है? MCQs नंबर, इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी. MCQs number 166. The rate of doing work is 0 when the angle theta between force and velocity is. तो angle theta जो है इनके दरमियान क्या होगा? Its correct option is option E. MCQs number 167. Half-life of a radioactive sample is given by. Its correct option is option E. MCQs number 168. Two similar point charges, each of one coulomb placed in free space 1 meter apart, repel each other with a force. तो कितनी फोर्स एक दूसरे को repel करेंगे? Correct option is E, 9 into 10 raised 9 न्यूटन। MCQ नंबर 169। इन न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन, ये हमें एक न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन दिया हुआ है। द मिसिंग पार्टिकल इज, इसमें कौन सा पार्टिकल जो है वो मिसिंग है? इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, प्रोटॉन। MCQ number 170. The potential difference applied across a diode to reduce the deflection layer is, कौन सी डिफ्लेक्शन लेयर जो है रिड्यूस होती है? इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग। MCQ number 171. A charged particle of mass m and charge q is projected in a magnetic field of induction B at an angle theta. The radius of curvature of its curved path is given by, its correct option is option D. R equals to mv sin theta upon qb. MCQ number 172. Specific heat capacity of a gas is measured in, किस में measured की जाती है? Its correct option is the joule kg per Kelvin. MCQ number 173. First law of thermodynamics is mathematically represented. Its correct option is E. Del U equals to del Q minus del W. MCQ number 174. The angular movement of a particle changes from 0 to 720 joule second in 4 seconds. The magnitude of torque is, its correct option is B, 180 Newton meter. MCQ number 175. An object moving faster than the speed of sound. This object is called, इस object को क्या कहते हैं? Correct option is B, supersonic. MCQ number 176. If a slab of dielectric constant equals to 2 is inserted between the parallel plates of a charge 20 UF, capacitor, its capacitance will, its का capacitance जो है वो क्या होगा? Option C, B double. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.